informative subject. In this subject, we learn all about how to run the Microsoft Word and Excel. First, we learn how to create text correcting, like setting the format for busy, bold, and italic font, and how to insert margin tools. Since code, we write headers, footer, and packet number, average the out of image and text, and even how to create text using 10 figures to type in order to make in a set after that. We also learn to set margin, paper orientation, and paper thinning, as well as we type without using mouse. Then we learn all about how to writing and format tables, soon as class, columns, and rows. Next, we learn to use shortcut to use 10 basis formulas of un, average, count, mean, and make, as well, and also will create tables and graphs so that we organize data in lists. For final, we learn how to create and save documents. In addition, we have practical subjects that we have done for explain, Latin day activity response, and school holiday activity response made an evaluation letter and designer workhouse of person letter. We made assessment table and calculate pass and fail memory space response and mesh mailing table and match school result to next. We use the database to calculate the average of total rating outing table of quarter from report and main fitness data is an average report made automatic Google US calculating the or submission paper financial of the second report with a formula to calculate the total average origin volume and even we created a list of names a filter of good of and today's data.
Germany subject. We learned about various topics in our Germany class. From basic vocabulary to complex grammar structures, we started by learning how to introduce ourselves and ask simple questions like "We guess, how are you?" As we progress, we explored sentence construction, proper word order, and verb conjunction in different tenses. We also studied articles, nouns, and adjectives, which helped us build more complex sentences. Additionally, we learned about Germany's culture, including tradition, festivals, and common pairs. Beyond language skills, we gained insight into the culture and historical context of German-speaking countries. Studying famous writers like Goethe and Kafka, this not only enriched our language proficiency but also broadened our understanding of the rich culture and historical backdrop of the language. Also, we have practical project that we have done. For example, we created a short presentation to introduce ourselves in Germany. We used phrases like "Ich heiße" or "My name is" and "Ich komme aus" or "I come from." Our teacher taught us how to use proper sentence structure and verb tenses. We also learned to ask questions such as "We all peace too? How old are you?" In group, we practiced conversation with classmates and received feedback from our teacher. We also learned cultural nuances such as greetings and polite experience. To make our presentations more engaging, we added visual and props. Throughout this project, we improved our pronunciation and gained confidence in speaking Germany. We learned how to use the language in real situation. The project helped use practice what we had learned in a fun and interactive way. By the end, we felt more comfortable speaking Germany. This experience taught us the importance of regular practice to become more fluent.
Software and game development. During our lesson of software and game development, we were given material on the UML model, flowcards design, the introduction of hardware software, the Android layer such as Linux kernel, and others. The various diagram models, the various computerized design materials for application, logos, and posters. We were taught of the various jobs or divisions of each group members such as programmers, system of analysis, designer UI UX, project manager, and tester. Since everyone is not interested in programmer, but some of them have a design talent, entrepreneurship, and board insight. Also, we have practical projects that we have done such as design application in a diagram or the concept of the application in groups using the diagram. Each group got a section for making diagrams. Part of the group was a project manager who had to manage the process, whereas the programmer worked on the running of an application or coding. And then the design UI UX created an application display as well as an analysis system was in charge of helping UI designer UX to add an idea. And the last, the tester tried it or checked out where it was lacking or out. Not only that, we also practice for creating display application on the web using Canva.
In this subject, we learned about fundamental of Japanese language, conferring essential aspects like the writing system, numbers, vocabulary, and every expression. The first writing system we inserted with hiragana and katakana. Hiragana is noted for native Japanese words, while katakana is typically used for foreign words. Both scripts are crucial for reading and writing in Japanese. We also studied the number system, which is simple but requires practice to remember, especially when used in that phrase and conversation building. Vocabulary is another key focus as now common words help with both conversation and speaking skill. Everyday experience like greeting and polite phrase are vital for real life interaction. Phrases such as good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, dan thank you, arigatou gozaimasu, are essential for engaging with native speakers. As we practiced the else elemental, we began to form basic sentences. Each strengthened our confidence in communication. Regular practice was emphasized to reinforce what the we learned by combining vocabulary, grammar, and expression. We gradually built a solid foundation in the language. This helped use not with language proficiency but also with understanding the culture and context behind it. Ultimately, the lesson gave us a deeper appreciation for both the Japanese language in its rich cultural heritage. Also, we have practical projects that we have covered several important topics. First, we learned hiragana and katakana, the fundamental script used in Japanese writing. The scripts are essential for reading and writing in Japanese, and mastering them was a greater starting point. Next, we expanded your vocabulary by learning new Japanese words. Building a strong vocabulary is crucial for understanding and communication in the language. Along with this, we worked on interview text, where we practiced forming sentences and answering questions, which improved your speaking skill. Finally, we focused on self-introduction, Jiko Sokai, learning how to you introduce yourself in Japanese was valuable skill as it is often the first step in communicating with native speakers. These lessons have provided us with a strong foundation in Japanese, and we look forward to learning more in the future.